Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, do that twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have our power saving mode, so let's swipe to the left. And there it is, battery saver. Once you see this tile, you can just simply tap on it. And as you can see, it enables itself and also changes the way the battery looks like to signify that it is right now running. Now if we hold this tile, it will take you to the settings, where you can also see what kind of changes will be happening. So battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So there you go. That's kind of what will be happening when the mode is enabled. Once you're done with it, you can find the toggle again, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.